Hi, welcome to Travelzilla. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. So, are you ready for the review of the Chameleon Backpackers Guesthouse in Namibia? Let's go! The Chameleon Backpackers Guesthouse is located in the center of Windhoek, the capital of Namibia. In this video, I'll give you a tour of the place, we'll show you the different room categories, the camping site, the pool, and other amenities. And we'll introduce you to my favorite safari operator in the country, Chameleon Safaris. Come along. We booked a 7-day Namibian highlight safari with Chameleon Safaris, so the airport pickup was included in our package. The transportation from the airport to the city center may cost 320 Namibian dollars for one person or 200 per person if you're not traveling alone, meaning 400 for 2 people, 600 for 3 people, so on and so forth. The journey from the airport to the guest house may take approximately 40 to 50 minutes or so. And the scenery is incredible, by the way. We're finally here. Welcome to Windhoek.
Hey, what's up?
Welcome to Namibia.
Thank you, man. What's your name again?
Raymond.
Raymond.
Yes.
Nice meeting you, Raymond.
Alright, nice meeting you.
The guest house offers free parking spaces to its customers, but the number is limited, so you must make a parking spot reservation prior to your arrival, okay? The Chameleon Backpackers Guest House offers a very friendly atmosphere. There's an outdoor pool, a garden, a bar, and plenty of places to sit, relax, and chat with your friends or make new ones. Attention! You can get a 10% discount on Chameleon Safaris. Please check out the description of this video for the instructions, and the promo code is also going to be there. Please check it out after you finish watching this video. The bar is really cool, decorated with flags from all over the world. It opens daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and there you can buy drinks and food, by the way. And don't worry, it never gets too loud. I'm a light sleeper and didn't hear a thing. Most people end up sleeping pretty early, for a lot of the activities start between 6 and 8 in the morning or so. In the lobby area, you'll find the reception of the guest house, a sitting area, and the Chameleon Safaris main office. Pay attention to the activities board and other signs on the wall, for important information may be disclosed there. Here in the lobby is where you're probably going to meet the safari guide who's going to take you to your Namibian adventure. Meet some of them. Say hello, guys.
Hi, my name is Beanie.
Hi, my name is Tulimo.
Hi, I'm Gideon.
My name is Kennedy.
This is a small sample of the incredible guides who are going to take you to places like this. The guest house offers free Wi-Fi, which to me was really good, but you can also purchase a cell phone chip with internet access at the airport. And remember, pets are not allowed unless you're our friend Woody over here or our friend Blackie, a black husky dog who also lives here. Attention! You can get a 10% discount on Chameleon Safaris. Please check out the description of this video for the instructions, and the promo code is also going to be there. Please check it out after you finish watching this video. Breakfast is included regardless of the type of accommodation you choose. It's a simple continental breakfast served in the kitchen area every morning. You can store your food in the kitchen, but pay attention to the rules of the house. Read the signs posted in the kitchen area very carefully. If you wish to eat elsewhere, you can always head to the nearby mall. It's only a 10-minute walk from the guest house. There are some fast food places nearby too, whatever suits you best. To know more about it, watch my Windhoek vlog. There's plenty of tips and information there, okay? Attention, you can get a 10% discount at Chameleon Safaris. Please check out the description of this video for the instructions, and the promo code is also going to be there. Please check it out after you finish watching this video.
Good. What's your name? Nice meeting you.
Hey guys, so if you want to have your clothes washed, you can always contact people here at the front desk and talk to them. And all you're going to pay is 15 Namibian dollars for a basket of your dirty clothes. Good, huh? Good deal. Do it. Hey guys, so if you want to camp here, there's also a camping site. Let's check it out. Chameleon offers a wide variety of rooms to fit your budget. They have a range of small dormitories, tents, twin, double or triple rooms with private or shared restrooms, not to mention a range of spacious rooms with private bathrooms. Let's check out a few of them, shall we? So let's go. This first room is very spacious, the bed is excellent. I slept really well. It was also really quiet and very clean, so thumbs up. Well, I really liked the decor, and there were plenty of plugs for me to charge my computer, iPad, cell phones and cameras, so thumbs up. There's also a kettle available in the room, so I was able to make my own tea or coffee, and I like that very much. The closet space was more than enough for 1 or 2 people, in my opinion, and of course there were some hangers, extra blankets, so on and so forth. So, thumbs up. There's a safe too, just in case you're gonna leave your valuables in the room. It's pretty easy to use it, just follow the instructions and you'll be fine. The shower is good, there's hot and cold water, but please pay attention to the rules of the house regarding the usage of water. Don't overuse it. The water in the shower is heated by solar energy, so please limit your showers to 5 minutes. The shower room is very clean and I love African music. Let's dance a little, shall we? Why not? Now let's check out the toilet. Let's go. It's very clean and smells pretty fresh. Oh, and before I forget, this room has air conditioning, but I prefer using the fan to save electricity. Let's check out another room now, shall we? This room offers the same things of the other room, but in a different setup. Comfy bed, safe, private restroom, nice decor, and plenty of storage space. The difference here is that the toilet and the shower are in the same room. And there's also an extra bed, so at least 3 people can spend the night here. That's great. Now let's check out the restroom. Very, very clean and very tidy, huh? Okay guys, now let's check out one of their family rooms, okay? Let's go. The family room is awesome, big enough to fit at least 5 people. They've got a spacious double bed and 3 extra single beds, wow. There's also plenty of storage space, a desk, a kettle, extra blankets, a safe, and a private restroom, which I like very much. Please log on to their website to check out the other rooms. The guest house was kinda packed, so I couldn't film all of them, or the dormitory for that matter. The website is in the description of this video. Check it out. Their shower room was spot on. I love this place. I wish I had spent more time here, but I couldn't due to the safari schedule. Don't forget to check out the promo code, okay, and how to use it. It's written in the description of this video, guys. Hey guys, so to me this guest house scores a 10 out of 10. This is the perfect place for you to start your Namibian adventure, okay? So don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. And check out their promo code, will you? It's in the description of this video, as well as the links to both Chameleon Backpackers Guest House and Chameleon Safaris. Guys, thank you so much for staying with me all the way to the end of this video. See you in my other videos. Bye bye!